Hey everyone, here's how to copy and paste in Excel to another sheet and how to filter in Excel step by step. Let's go. First, open your Excel file and then go to your original sheet. Now click and drag to select your data and then press Ctrl and C to copy. Next, go to the other sheet and click where you want the data. Then press Ctrl and V, and just like that, your data is copied across sheets. Now let's clean your data. Select your table and go to the Data tab. Then click Filter, and you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click one of them and choose what data you want to show. Press OK. And boom, your data is now filtered. And that's it. Now you know how to copy and paste in Excel to another sheet and how to filter in Excel. Follow for more Excel tips. See you next time.